Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your BMW i8 faster. First, consider a software tune. This can significantly boost horsepower and torque, making your i8 feel much more responsive. Next, upgrading to lighter wheels reduces unsprung mass, which directly improves acceleration and handling dynamics. Finally, investing in high-performance tires ensures maximum grip, allowing you to put that extra power to the pavement effectively and safely. Moving to more advanced modifications, a performance exhaust system not only gives your i8 a more aggressive sound, but also improves exhaust gas flow, potentially adding a few extra horsepower. Next, consider upgrading your suspension with sportier springs or coilovers to sharpen handling and reduce body roll. Lastly, subtle aerodynamic additions, like a rear diffuser or front splitter, can reduce drag and increase downforce for better high-speed stability. Beyond physical modifications, maintaining your i8 meticulously is crucial for consistent performance. Regular servicing ensures all systems are running optimally, preventing any power loss. Furthermore, honing your driving skills, such as mastering braking points and cornering lines, can yield substantial improvements in speed and control. Also, consider removing any non-essential items from the car to reduce overall weight, which directly improves acceleration and handling. To truly maximize your i8 speed, remember that professional installation for complex modifications is always recommended to ensure safety and proper function. Always prioritize safety and ensure any changes comply with local regulations. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you. Drive fast, but drive safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.